All right, it is Wednesday, April 24th, 2024 here after a brief hiatus break. I am resuming work on completing Under the Wings 79 in progress. Memorial portrait of Senesh of blessed memory with a chicken. A portrait of my late beautiful melodic budgie Blanche DuBoid in progress here, and a bunch of allegorical sea monsters up there. All right, I'm working from a watercolor tin here, putting down like a little bit of, actually I'm going to do a yellow, because there's kind of yellow green in there. I'm going to do a kind of yellow here, down to about there where it turns blue. See a little bit of yellow green there. Some down there. Right there. Maybe a touch there and there. And I'll go over it with some green. Yellow dry first. Beautiful Blanche. She was a sweet bird. Thank you guys, gal, for your chirpy singing input. I appreciate it. Very much appreciated. All right, to be continued. Just a smidgen of yellow over there. All right, stay tuned.